6 of them are here. And I wish they will be with us for more years to come. Thank you.
Yes, good evening to everyone, especially to our guests and to all the family members and board of directors, relatives, and to my people at Cesis Pharmacy. Tonight, as we celebrate our annual Christmas party, all I wish is that everybody will be happy. Enjoy the night. This is your party, and I'm so happy to see you, everybody. I'm amazed that all of you are well prepared, and everybody looks good, fantastic. Thank you for coming.
And we hope to have, all of you with us. Legal Tempo, Ostedio sa Pilipinas stage to receive sa mga awards.
Tonight, it's all about you. All throughout the years, you have worked hard. So tonight, we will party harder.